Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to extract data from Bank of America statement using PDF.co Document Parser. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample Bank of America statement in this demo. So, let's begin. First, log into your PDF.co account and click on the Document Parser menu. On the Document Parser page, click on the New Template button. Next, click on the Load Test PDF button to load the source file. Then click on the Add Object button, and choose the Add field from Rectangle selection. And drag the rectangle into the text you'd like to parse data. And set the object name properties. We will extract the account number data. Let's add another object and choose the Add field from Text Search. And set the object name properties. For the expression, use macros to find specific text such as account number and return its value. Then, tick on the regex box. Once you're done setting up, you may now run the template. Here's the extracted data from the bank statement. After creating the template and getting your desired output, you may now save it. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.